When it comes to upgrading your home, few improvements make as big of an impact as new windows. For homeowners in Hauppauge, New York, high-quality windows can improve energy efficiency, comfort, and curb appeal, but only if they're installed correctly. Even the best windows won't perform as expected if they aren't fitted, sealed, and insulated by an expert. That's why professional window installation is an investment that pays off for years to come. Here's why hiring a professional window installer in Hauppauge is essential for ensuring your home's comfort, protection, and long-term value. Precision that protects your home. The difference between a drafty window and an energy-efficient one often comes down to installation precision. Haupauge's coastal weather, with its cold winters, humid summers, and occasional strong winds, requires windows that are perfectly aligned and sealed. Professional installers take precise measurements, ensuring each window fits snugly into the existing frame. This prevents air leaks, water intrusion, and structural stress caused by uneven installation. A tight, professional fit also means your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard, helping you save on energy costs while keeping your home consistently comfortable year-round. Energy efficiency. You can feel energy-efficient windows are designed to reduce heat transfer, but if there's even a small gap between the frame and wall, their performance drops significantly. That's why proper sealing and insulation during installation are critical. Certified window professionals in Hauppauge use high-performance sealants and flashing techniques to eliminate drafts and prevent moisture buildup. Combined with features like low-E glass coatings, gas-filled panes, and insulated frames, a professional installation helps you maintain optimal indoor temperatures, whether it's the chill of January or the warmth of August. When done right, professional installation can lower your heating and cooling bills while making your home quieter and more comfortable. Protection against moisture and structural damage. Long Island's proximity to the coast means humidity and rain are constant factors. Improper window installation can lead to water infiltration, which in turn causes mold growth, rot, and wall damage over time. Professional installers understand how to create an effective moisture barrier around your windows. They apply weather-resistant flashing, caulking, and waterproof membranes to protect your home from the elements. This attention to detail not only preserves your window's lifespan but also protects your home's structure from hidden water damage, a costly issue to repair later. Enhanced aesthetics and property value. Windows do more than keep the elements out. They shape the look and feel of your home. Crooked frames, uneven seams, or visible gaps can diminish curb appeal and even reduce property value. By choosing professional window installation in Hauppauge, you ensure that your new windows are symmetrical, level, and visually appealing from every angle. Professional installers have the experience to handle complex designs, custom window shapes, and trim finishes, giving your home a clean, polished look that enhances its overall aesthetic. A properly installed, energy-efficient window system also adds resale value to your home, a big advantage if you plan to sell in the future. Warranty protection and peace of mind. Many window manufacturers require professional installation for their warranties to remain valid. DIY or subpar installations can void those warranties, leaving you unprotected if something goes wrong. When you hire a licensed professional, your installation warranty and product warranty work together to give you complete coverage. You'll have peace of mind knowing your windows are installed to exact manufacturer specifications and backed by professional guarantees. Final thoughts for Hauppauge homeowners. Window installation isn't just a home improvement. It's an investment in comfort, protection, and long-term efficiency. Professional installers bring precision, expertise, and craftsmanship that ensure your windows perform exactly as designed. From keeping energy bills low to safeguarding against the elements, a professionally installed window system makes your home stronger, smarter, and more beautiful. So when it's time to upgrade, don't take shortcuts. Trust a local Hauppauge window installation expert to do the job right the first time, and enjoy the benefits for decades to come.